Alright, here guys, so we have been asked to simplify 4 in bracket 2 raised to power n plus 1 minus 2 raised to power n plus 2 out of n raised to power n plus 1 minus 2 raised to power n. So in this case, this is law of indices. This is like the application of law of indices. So what do we do here? We can say 4 in bracket 2 raised to power n times 2 raised to power 1. Of course, this is like expanding number of the same bases. What do we do here? We multiply. So in this case, we expand. So 2 raised to power n plus 1 is the same as 2 raised to power n times 2 raised to power 1 minus. So for the case of 2 raised to power n plus 2 is the same as 2 raised to power n times 2 raised to power 1 out of. Also here we expand. 2 raised to power n plus 1 is the same as 2 raised to power n plus 2 raised to power 1 minus 2n. So here again, what do? We open. Okay, like 2 raised to power 2 is the same as 4. So here we'll have 4 in bracket 2 raised to power n plus 2. Of course, 2 raised to power 1 is the same as 2 minus 2 raised to power n times 4 out of. Here, what do? N and n are common factors, so you pull out. When you pull out 2n, you will be left with 2 minus 1, such that when you multiply it back, you get the same answer. So here also, for the upper one, you have 4 and 4 are common factors. Then 2n are common factors, so you pull out 2n and 4. When you pull out 2n and 4, you remain with 2 minus 1, such that when you multiply it back, you will get the same answer. So what do we do here? We have 2n, so it will cancel. Then 2 minus 1 is the same as 1. So 4 times 2n. Okay, like 2n and 2n are cancelled, so we'll be left with 4 only, as you can see from here. As simple.